You make my heart beat super fast.
Welcome back to the channel. You already know why you're here. We're doing a stage wheel unboxing. I already have one here, but just so you guys can see the quality of packaging they offer, I'm going to unbox one in front of you today. So here we go. And just so you know, while I'm doing this, I have been running stage wheels in the past for the past year now. If you ever look at my 240, you can see on the back I actually run the same exact wheel in an 18. And what I have here is a 17 version of that same exact wheel, except smaller. It's a 17 by 9. My rears, if I'm correct, are 18 by 10 and a half. I'll have to look into that. But yeah, just got some covering here. I need some assistance from Cheshire Cat. You mind moving this box? Oh, that's I got no more room on the table. So in your packaging, you'll get your wheel, obviously. Comes with this little lip bra here. Boom. Here you have it, saran wrapped. Beautiful black chrome, my favorite. Your satisfaction, I'll do it here. Is that good for you? It's good for me. Okay. Boom. There you have it. The black chrome stage knife. And here we have they come with your stem and your center cap. It looks like when it's completed, I'll go ahead and I'll what's that bad boy in there? Boom. Also, these are very lightweight and been track tested by many, weighing in at around 26 pounds. That's lighter than a stock car wheel. Anyways, I'll be running these on the front of my 240. I'm downsizing the front from 18s to 17s to allow more clearance and so I can run a thicker tire for more grip. So be sure to check them out. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to go ahead and see these if you like them. They also have them in bronze, white, and I think this is black chrome, but they have like gloss black if I'm correct. It's even darker than this, but I like this like gunmetal effect this one has. So yeah. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. Keep it real. Deuces.
Fast.